Sunshine is such a healthy thing, a copious source of vitamin D that does the human body good. But once the mercury shoots up to high heat levels, that same sunshine has potentially lethal effects to humans, flora, and fauna. Right now, the Department of Agriculture is on the lookout on the effects of hot weather on crops to determine what interventions to put in place or apply for better crop protection and production, as our Maryvel Custodio reports.
The Department of Agriculture, or DA, is continuously monitoring the potential effects of heat on crop production.
So ang pinakamainit probably is Ilocos at saka yung Region 2 natin. So we make sure po na meron po tayong mga interventions na binibigay para maiwasan po itong epekto ng pag-init po ng ating panahon. Like we teach them na sa mga beds po, vegetable beds natin, ay meron po silang ginagamit na mga plastic mulch.
Included in the interventions are the rainwater collection during wet season and rainwater shelters, irrigation systems, and small pumps.
Meron din po tayong technology, yung drip fertigation or drip irrigation system na targeted po yung pagdidilig ng ating mga gulay.
Animals are also placed in shelters to protect them from heat-related diseases. DA is continuously conducting market monitoring to ensure proper pricing in agricultural products. Meanwhile, the Agriculture Department is providing interventions for the effects of the Mount Canlaon eruption on the agricultural sector. 35 hectares of crops were affected according to the agency.
As of April 14, ang damage po natin sa high-value crops ay 836,200. For cassava po ay 116,000, so ang total po ay 952,200.
The government also provided assistance to more than 60 affected farmers.
And meron naman po kasi kaming quick response fund for this. And dun sa mga affected, yung aming pong program, yung Survival and Recovery under the Agricultural Credit Policy Council, wala po itong interest at maaari po nila itong bayaran sa loob po ng 3 taon. And of course, matitrigger na rin po yung pag-claim nila sa insurance para po doon sa mga nasiraan po ng mga pananim.
DA will distribute seeds to farmers once they are able to plant again. Assessment of the affected crops and farmers due to the eruption of Mount Canlaon is still ongoing. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.